Python 3.3, birthday probability. Trying to do the birthday program in Python. Being a beginner in Python, I am having some trouble. Function duplicates L that takes a list L and returns true if it has a duplicate element, and false if it does not. Function test_count generates a list of count random integers between 1 and 365. Function duplicates L will test for duplicates. Function probability count, num, runs num tests of count people, and counts the number of tests with duplicates. It returns the fraction of the tests with duplicates, the number of duplicates divided by num. Results should look like. For 2 people, the probability of 2 birthdays is 0.002. For 3 people, the probability of 2 birthdays is 0.008. And so on. Stuck on step 2 and 3. I believe I did step 1 correctly, but I'm not sure where to go from here.
You should create the list like this. Test isn't a very useful name. Consider something like make_birthday_list instead. The test in duplicates already evaluates to a bool, so you can just do this. It's not a good idea to use L as a variable name, looks too much like 1, so I changed it to the _list. You'll have to run the test over and over to get the probability. E.g.
Test does not return a list of length count. The result only has one element. You would want to make use of list comprehension to get this to work nice. Then for step 3. The most important line in the above function is labeled hash. Here's a breakdown of how it works. The stuff in the square brackets is a list comprehension. For I in range num says do this stuff with I equals 0, I equals 1, I equals num1. You know what duplicates and test does. So the list ends up with a bunch of trues and falses, ones and zeros. Sum adds up the elements of the list. So this gives us the number of trues. The next line dup_falses equals num dup_trues says we have num results altogether, those that aren't true are false. Return float fails /num. The float is not necessary in Python 3.